Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 19th question from the Linear Digital SAT. Test 1, Module 1 Math, 19 reads, Circle A has a radius of 3n, label that 3n. Circle B has a radius of 129n. Okay, this is ridiculous, but that's not even to scale, 129n. Where n is a positive constant. Notice I draw the circles right away. It's only going to take 2 seconds. Typically you got to draw. This one you might not need to actually, but it's a good habit to get into. The area of circle B is how many times the area of circle A? Well, you got to keep in mind a formula for area, and the area of circle B, area equals pi times the radius, which is 129n squared, over the area of circle B. It's going to be pi r squared as well. Remember, pi r squared is your radius, so pi times 3n quantity squared. And so your pi's are going to cancel there. Your n squareds are going to cancel here as well. Now, you know offhand, I'm sure that the bottom is going to be 9n squared. If we square 129, though, it makes sense that we're going to use our calculator. Desmos does that. 129. I just typed that with my keyboard. You also could pull up the keyboard from down below by clicking on the lower left, and then if I need to square something, it gives it to me right there, 16,641. So it's 16,641 n squared. The n squareds cancel. And how many times is 9 going to? 6,641. Let's check it out. And so then we go enter, and then we could go our 16,641. I just typed that with my keyboard. And you could also do divide 9 with your keyboard as well, or you could just plug it in. And there it says 1849. So that is your answer. This is just going to reduce to 1849. So in other words, the big circle, even though the area is 43 times, or the radius is 43 times, here's a shortcut here. If you just did 43 squared, you'd get that 1849, because the ratio is going to be in squared units since their area. And you could do that for circles, you could do that for squares, you could do that for any area. And it's going to have a cubed relationship if it's volume. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with comparing areas given like linear like relationships. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.